Want to turn off Instagram's broadcast notifications but not sure how? No worries. In this video, I'll show how you can do just that right from your iPhone. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open up Instagram on your iPhone. Then, tap on your profile picture from the bottom bar. Next, tap the hamburger menu icon from the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy from here. Then, tap on Notifications from the How You Use Instagram section. Next, tap on Messages from here. Now, scroll down to the end of the page. From here, first turn off Broadcast Channel Invites. After that, turn off the Broadcast Channel message by tapping on Off from here. And from now on, you won't get any notifications from Instagram broadcast. So that's how you turn off Instagram's broadcast notifications on your iPhone. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Want more Instagram related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because we have got more of them coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.